I really appreciate all of them. ఈరోజు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గవర్నమెంట్ దేశంలోనే అత్యుత్తమ పాలసీలను అమలు చేస్తున్నాం. మా దగ్గర భూములు ఉన్నాయి, నీళ్లు ఉన్నాయి, గ్రీన్ ఎనర్జీ ఉంది, లాజిస్టిక్స్ హబ్గా తయారు చేస్తాం. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ హ్యాపీ అవర్ ఆనరబుల్ రైల్వే మినిస్టర్ and also information technology minister has made some commitments. 1 year back I met him. You are building bullet train from Ahmedabad to Mumbai, South India, 4 cities, 5 crore population, biggest economy, that is Amaravati, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. When you are going to connect that bullet train, now we announce now very clearly these 4 cities with the timings, how much time, everything. I asked one more commitment from him. When you are going to complete? He promised me he is going to complete with 7 and 8 years. In between 7 and 8 years, 7 years time, within 8 years time, all 4 cities are going to connect. That is the vision he is having. That is the commitment of our Honorable Prime Minister is having. If they connect these 4 cities, that is the biggest economy. Within 1 hour, 10 minutes, we can reach anywhere to anywhere in South India with all these cities. And also he promised me one more thing. I am very happy. Amazing work he is doing. All railway stations is renovating. And also all flyovers and also passovers, all these things, underground, these things, is working in a big way. 800 is going to clear within no time. And also from Kolkata to Chennai, 4-lane track, broad gauge. It is going to give us excellent advantage. We are going to connect all ports. Then you can see the logistics. Fast trains, even railway, I can say transportation of goods, and also local trains, everything is going to connect. For that also I am asking him time. He promised me in Andhra Pradesh, within 4 years time, all railway lines from Visakhapatnam to Chennai will be converted into 4-lane. I really appreciate him. I am thanking him. One more request I am making. One is railway zone anyway. June 1st you are going to operate. I am thanking for that also. Final request from him. As on today, Andhra Pradesh is well connected from south to north on east coast. I wanted to make Andhra Pradesh as a logistics hub. There I need your cooperation. You have to support me from east to west. From here, you have to take Chhattisgarh and also other places. From Amaravati, Ramayampatnam, you have to take to Bangalore, our Telangana and other parts. If you can do this, then Andhra Pradesh will be logistics hub on east coast. This is one request I am making you. You are here. 100% I am confident you will make it happen. ఈరోజు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఏదో ఎంఓయూలు చేయడం, పబ్లిసిటీ ఇవ్వడం కాదు. వన్స్ ఎంఓయూ అవుతానే దాన్ని ఏ విధంగా ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్తాం. టెక్నాలజీ రంగంలో డేటా సెంటర్ల ఏర్పాటులో విశాఖపట్నం బెస్ట్ డెస్టినేషన్. వ్యాపార నిర్వహణ ఖర్చు కూడా మిగిలిన నగరాల కంటే చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. పెట్టుబడులు ఒప్పందాలే కాదు, గ్రౌండింగ్లో కూడా ముందున్నాం. ఇన్వెస్టర్సే ఏపీకి భాగస్వాములు. 25-26 సంవత్సరంలో దేశంలో వచ్చిన పెట్టుబడుల్లో 25.3% ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కు వచ్చాయి. That shows how we are doing business here. I really thanking all investors for having confidence.